Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing 287 pounds, Brock Lesnar.
Oh, listen to this place. Everybody's on their feet. I love this atmosphere. This match has got the hair on the back of my neck standing up, Michael. This is going to be great. Just a fantastic suplex. Triple H from behind. Still not through. There are so many ways that Triple H can dissect an opponent. Punishment on that back. Triple H showing tremendous focus and determination here. I think after that, I'd be searching in my tights for a white flag I could wave. Great reversal. Brock Lesnar seems to relish this. If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars. Brock Lesnar is just menacing. The cerebral assassin is so ready for this. He's still not through. An impressive suplex. Oh, look at the emotion. He does it again. Look at the eyes of the game. Again, this is a no disqualification match. Oh, jeez. Knee to the gut. That'll take the fight out of you. Man, he landed right on his neck from that German suplex. Somebody's going to get hurt in this match. Good in-ring presence shown by the game. He saw that one coming. Keep in mind, this is no disqualification. Anything into the spine buster. And they may have made a mistake thinking that Lesnar was finished. These men are playing Russian roulette with their careers in this environment. Look at these two jockey for position. Remember, this is a no disqualification match. Anything goes. Oh, suplex and a nice one. And he does it one more time. Playing mind games. Yeah, a little intimidation there. Wow, that was a massive German suplex. makes you so dangerous is that he's so smart.
Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole. What's he going to do here? The game's got him. Oh, Lesnar isn't going to like this. Pile driver.
Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one.
Not this.
He's looking at it again. He's begging for it.
What a battle this has been. There's no disqualification, anything but this. You don't often see a superstar's own finishing move used against them like this. Hey, Triple H. He's adding insult to injury by using that move against his opponent.
And again, the mind games are played. And will this be it? Taking a kick out of two.
If that didn't slay the monster Brock Lesnar, nothing will.
Submission locked in, and this might be it. And he lets him out.
Well, he might have been losing some of his grip there anyway. He probably figured it would be better to release the hold now before his opponent could counter it.
Triple H, as controversial as anyone has ever been in WWE.
Oh, yeah, the game just loves to stir the pot. Oh, nice counter.
Lesnar looks to be finally feeling the effects of this attack. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big. Hey, he's going for it again. Oh, my. Someone's getting a taste of their own finishing move. Look at the intensity of Triple H. Just scary. We got a cover.